don't see anything wrong with that picture.
Why is that?
Because I'm a parent, and then I can choose to do what I want. You know.
Why is that? I mean, so you think that it is good for her to, I mean, reveal herself to her 7-year-old boy?
First of all, when you look at the picture, she's not naked.
Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to the #1 show online, The Talking Point. My name is Albert Kwame Ajima Prempe. Now, I'm going to be the host for this beautiful show. Today on Talking Point, we have so many things to discuss that will go to your disbelief. Sitting on my right-hand side is a very gentleman who is so eager to pour out his opinion, his ideas about the whole show. He's nobody than Mr. Bright Safo. And next to Mr. Bright Safo is also another one and only man that we all admire and we all love. He's also known as Mr. Ni Aite. Gentlemen, welcome to Talking Point, man.
Thank you.
What up, what up?
Thank you.
Chalina, anyone to say? Yeah.
When you hear me, bubla bubla.
Yeah, you hear me, bubla bubla.
When you hear me, bubla bubla.
Bubla bubla. So, other for Usha, and then same one, yeah, my Ghana, and never be air coswa. Say about social media. I'm for Eka Wasamu, a bimu agitumu, a bimu gentumu, a bino moya june, a bino moya june. I didn't hear, your baby, any other phobia, your friend of a crapping polo. The whole Samuba social media, and I say, ma, Adolfo, Obia, Ekikabi, Ama. Emrano eso ni mu Ghana ema ye de ne kotumu na ede nti ne ye de ne kotumu a ye be ya kire mo na ya hwe ade nti ye de ne kotumu ne ye bisa adofo ya omote ye se no mo so edwene efa ho eti picture ya me kire mu sisi ya ne mu de me hwe picture yi ne fo sa picture we no a otwa ye no oni ne baba ma wadi 7 years ne twa sa picture no eti wo de hwe sa picture we na we se efata se on say emrana wa Ghana no eni bibia na say ye chini tu mu no e okay say ye chini tu ma na say na enye se bia ye be china tu eti no ye besa aba bedi ehun komo eti mu me hwe sa picture yi sisia odo for me ma wa kwa abase wa hu sa picture no de we a esi ekoye no enti ya fe de ye ba be ko ye nua no mu mema no so na omoso omachiro omadwene na medical call mi nua be ma Mr. Ni Aite so number who honors what Mr. Ni Charlie na picture no who is I
don't see anything wrong with that picture.
Why is that?
Because I'm a parent, and then I can choose to do what I want. You know.
Why is that? I mean, so you think that it is good for her to, I mean, reveal herself to her 7-year-old boy?
First of all, when you look at the picture, she's not naked. But people see that it's naked. She didn't open her legs. Her wig is covering her boobs. And then we said, or you are saying she's naked. She's not naked. To go back to the photo, I'm a photographer, and that is not nakedness.
And you know where you know with her, I mean,
first of all, seriously, the angle of the picture can tell you say she's kneeling, right? With her legs closed. The wig is covering her. Me catch madam to be say me husband, not say me a lawyer. What do you call him? The judge or Akufado. Those are the things we need to talk about, not a crapping polo.
Now, I didn't know because I said no, yeah, it's what the Babema Akolaba.
First of all, look at it. Ni Babema, and you Babema. And I said, judge, you know, and I said the people, so-called advocates, and I said, what do you call those people? DCF, child, whatever, no. Villages, they don't have chairs to sit on it. They don't have hospitals to go. But that is not the concern of the country. The Kwafi Polo, I want to see Kakra or the Awa and Tuno. We're going to bring it on board in Ghana. Charlie, President Akufo-Addo planning the so-called government, you know, and the so-called whatever. They fail me. Near Etiabula, New America, Connecticut. They fail me for even bringing this on the table. This shouldn't be a topic for Ghanaians to even talk about.
So hold on. So also say Aqualano, you think say that little boy, you know?
You made a statement. No. You already made a statement, Niba.
So it's an event.
I don't know. Akufo-Addo nation Niba. When I say judges, those people shouldn't even come in.
Those
so-called child protective, they should go protect the kids in the villages.
Okay, sir.
Those are the things that is more important. Papa. Look at me very well. When I heard you are out, congratulations, and I'm happy for you. You can go look for me at Facebook. I'll date you for no reason. Or the idea ever public, you don't think so you're concerned now? In some Ghana, trust me, they don't have education, they don't have healthcare, good food to eat. That's it. Those are the things that we need to talk about. When yet somehow we have to, they even have to waste judges. The government have to pay judges and prosecutors to prosecute this lady. You made a statement saying on the back. That's what I'm saying. If she's my woman or I'm a lawyer, I'm gonna just put her on board. I'm gonna defend her. And then I told my friend she's gonna come out, and she came out. And then they want a piece of her. Trust me. A piece of it. Who was that guy that the girlfriend here Facebook now? What do you call it? One of the ministers. What's his name? Kandapar, right? What's his name?
Yes, Minister, Albert Kandapar.
Is he about the law? Why don't they throw him in jail for 3 months? No. Is he about the law?
I don't know what
he's a public figure. Ekwapim Polo is a public figure. Ekwapim Polo self Ghana.
But the issue here, it's not even Ekwapim Polo now.
Forget us. It's about the question you asked me said Niba. Niba. And yet Ghana. Although the child is a Ghanaian or whatever, no. Niba. Sebita Frache. To be honest, on being the Namu training bano.
The better one says will be in the man now.
The picture can tell.
Never, and the son of Nankasa or you're guilty.
Move for sin.
Who
threaten say on you're guilty? Why? I was born in Ghana. I'm a Ghanaian. I'm a Ghana. We know how Ghana politics play.
Alright,
only Banku politics. Now work of politics.
Alright, hold on. I don't come surprise. Say that Mr. Newcomb was say Aqualano there, Ekwapim Polo Nankasa Bentino. No. So
based on what you said, okay.
Say
talking point. So I need to come in.
Bentino. I was said I didn't Mr. Bright, also, what is the pajama over?
First of all, Emma and Chiakoma with you for her phone. Mediminian even here in America, right? So, a party or bow, but a child belongs to the States. He has been here, or Mama has it, right? See. Hold on, I'm coming.
No. My child belongs to the state because the law works here. I give you an example. Say, blackboard, school man, those are the things that we talk about. Ghana constitution here, Juma. Mr. Safo, Ghana constitution here, Juma.
For crying out loud, I am out loud. We've been always saying the system is not working, and we want the system to work 24/7. And before a system will work, somebody must wrong the system, and that person will be used as a scapegoat. Okay. Me was on mention with Albert Kandapa. In his situation, no, I said, I know a girlfriend, a video call. He's a man, okay?
Oh, so he has the right to fornicate. No, to commit adultery behind. Fornicate or commit adultery behind.
No.
No. Orlandi. Because the other say Kandapa, a whole public figure, Ghana, has the right. Say, Tevita Frache, Obefa Yiri Echi. Now he should go free because he's a Ghanaian, he is a politician or he's about the law. That is why no me catch yourself why a wrong crowd. So say what say makuma crowd.
The money land in the money.
All this has nothing to land. But if he's bringing Kendapa in, I brought Kendapa in.
Exactly.
Because what he did, you know,
yeah, so I'll come
what
back.
I'll
come back.
Yeah.
I'll come back. Hold on. Hold on.
Are you Obi the woo enemy Yansika and Yambana Yawu American Yansika and Omudi Queens. It's okay.
This is a Kase where you know, okay? And the picture was in the public domain, okay? Make us an overcast adultery and fornication. How many men at the shake of Polo, our Instagram, Sebio, Omuko, Democrat?
No. Me say me. I said it. Public said me. You're not commenting.
Oh, the money can sell you, Mr.
Maybe by and you want to make a you see, I know Polo was not panic. I mean, one Yafana got two because she exposed herself. She was punished because she exposed herself to her son. And you're one. Two. Se me wuse obi aye kwani a
isawa wanda ho 1 second wanda isawa mo nti en kasa ye punish wanda isawa
but at least no ye de no kotu
yeah at least 3 months no if the law works in Ghana, they should put Kendapa in jail for 1 week.
Let me finish. So, Obi offended the law. Since one, we are a citizen of the country.
How do you call that guy who fraud Ghanaians? How do you call it?
So,
how do you call that guy?
Don't bring his
how do you call that guy? How do you call that guy who fraud Ghanaians? What I don't know how do you call that guy? You see me? If people are on your money, Kendapa your money because Kendapa a public figure. Bakuno or we are Professor people went back. He's working free. I go for the power now. Oba power no. I see Ring Road no sunu. Ni papa fear or no. The government of Ghana owns them 120 million. Inti Obetinika. Why don't you guys go take him to jail? Oh, Unti.
They are
the ones who are supposed to be in jail.
I think he's bringing all the different topic.
But let's stay on the people.
If people hasn't done anything that she deserves to be. Remember Mr. Bright going on
this. So will be offending the law of the land. You be a citizen, you have the right to hold a person accountable by the law. And somebody took Polo to the law. Ghana. It's the constitution.
Which constitution? Constitution Constitution say what do you file for show bottom? Constitution police force amundi bribe.
Oh, I
say who on the side? Who on the side? Because on the side.
You are not making him make his point.
You are pushing the topic out of context.
Like he's not agreeing with me. So since you're not agreeing with me, I don't even want to agree with you.
So let's finish. Okay. And this Polo no Obi Fano, not the courts. Somebody, I mean, like there's a prosecutor, and now pulling right or training the courts. Which is a child right, a child right protection right, or the courts. And then before I said,
who's the child? So we have
protection.
We have an organization like that in Ghana.
Yes. Because you don't know.
And Sikano they are not going to school. No, there's no hospital there.
Don't say that. There's free education going on in Ghana.
Free education.
Probably you don't know.
Which one? Saito a free education. I have Saito now. You can't say it is a how. You can't say no. Very good. Me call high school free. Me call high school free. He went to secondary school in Ghana. He was free, bursary. We all went to free. The free education, Kwame Nkrumah. If the Northness will tell you, say Kwame Nkrumah, way back before 1957, there's free education in Ghana already. And there's free education. Mr. Tamis. Sato, teachers look around in classroom.
Hold on. What the money can say?
Mr. Bright Kasa.
Sometimes we're home.
Mr. Bright Kasa.
I'm sorry, sir, me making this statement. Okay.
Mr. Bright Kasa.
If you guys will say Akufo-Addo,
he's responsible now. He's responsible now.
Ghana is Ghana.
He's responsible now.
Ghana is Ghana.
I said on the 200 million to see cathedral. What point them? Never respect him, man. Musu respect him, man. Akwapu Polo, man. Of course. Give respect to Akwapu Polo, and that will be good.
I said we are shifting out of content.
Of course, that's our talking point. Because if you want to raise something against Akufo-Addo about money, Ghana is kind of hormonal. One thing that's all. One thing that's all. I don't come police and tell you the money.
Order for me patrol radio. Sorry, say I didn't kill baby, I do it. Why shepa? You better try Oka Krabi. You buy you did you made in the Ebertwaso. And Timeko baby, baby, that's an baby no more. We will be right back after this commercial break. Abroso. Back to our root. Paul Awamantem. Yes, watch Edika for Onwane African Queen's Market. Onua woti West Haven, Connecticut, and now maybe our Connecticut Kuriman, and I say, oh, outside Connecticut, America Kurimu, and Onua Woody Haukra, African Queen's Market, or the Beba Wufi, Baby Biara Wubiara, Ediana Wope, Opa Ponchinam, Ubenya Biwo, Opa Momone, Kobi, Eta, Benkuta. Palm oil, I friend engo, brodo, I no phone, Opemoko, Nkrumah, I near mana yedi Dranima Bema now bet me bonenum top, Nini be she almost our docono, or more benku, or more body, or more bayire, or more fufu, and you a brusu coco, the biao pepiano, African Quest Market, it will be honomo, she open into my efra, how the backward engagement, wedding, with the African Quest Market. Ebemo bi hwe se ne be ya wo nase beti yira chow empabua ninina no ebusi wa African Quest Market onua wo mpe we na wo pede ebia na wontini ma African Quest Market obe mail wo ne ma ninina abro eno ane se wafa wo telefone na wafre 718-314-2816 anase opese wo ba ye nchen a ye be ma wakwa aba ne age wa watu eno ane se wo de be hye wo GPS me se 491 Campbell Avenue West Haven 06516 African Queen's Market. What the yen and now what the assemble. African Queen's Market going back to our roots. Other form of our Kwaba Ediba talk, your friend is a talking point to Jumede to be with the Monfante, which answer the Beko break and I just say. I didn't hit it. But I say about back in the day, Mr. Price, baby, I know who do not make the point. But me said, now I go very much to the next level, you know. If you want to be the point, no, the point now. Now, the was also, yeah, the also. It's Mr. Bright, my uncle.
Okay, me that say, it is an American. So obi offended Emrana, a nipa and a fine nipa de come brand now. Check Emran and Chassis. Now, I think in one of the in the constitution, okay, of Ghana, that was written by the Gold Coast. I mean, I'm talking about the British, what they left to us, Say, what portray on a print media, but don't need the print media. But I said, what they are out, exposing something else. And
we have print media by then. We have the Times and the
we have, but not need to say via the social media. Okay.
No more.
Polo the same thing. Okay. And now here comes the case. Of course. Some people were saying community labor or whatever. But Ghana in our constitution, I believe that you need that community labor. Say
in your own kind of constitution. Then I
will
catch them. No, then I will catch them.
Okay,
I give you the platform. Keep going.
And one person our court she was asked, say if she is guilty of her offense, which of course was why you're guilty. It's why you're guilty, no. What do the lawyer to do? Onga said, we are guilty as a court. No, there will be a punishment. And according to lawyers, I mean, I listening to them on various media platforms. Yes, saying that the jail sentence will not exceed not more than 3 years. And even this judge had mercy on her because all the celebrities were like hashtag Polo, and will be a candy. They say I can't. Assuming Senator Ekrapin Polo any popular on social media, and man anti-man samba Padro bin or Tia, Fanchim Brebia, and an arm media moi. Cadena get a family. On your bronco de moon. Now, Obika say, oh, back. Yes, oh, back. The Aparusa in the editor. Obian home mobile wish see and find any Uncle Joe. Baubisa will say, oh, would that Joe no? Almost Nimana. They have kids, right? Into Ghana, why and a not even the president. Okay, because the law, the constitution is above everybody. Into once I will offend them one day, I don't think so. And after 90 days, because
after 90 days,
90 days, no, not here.
Obi wa ha ninya memre ade ama no cry do 90 days. In 90 days, after all.
Anything at the say, we share one namoye. Your steps. You should order your steps very well.
Good. You make a very good point in ordering your steps well.
Yes.
It is one I don't know to can apart from say on Dinilemu.
Hold on, but now
on Dinilemu.
I don't know what they can the pa and ever compare people. Can the pa one in the baby can take a picture.
First of all, yes, Chassi, Usi, the back. Okay.
Can
the power worry? No, can the power worry?
Okay,
no. But
you see, have you seen your mom's nakedness?
Maybe when I was a kid.
Did you see it?
Maybe when I was a kid.
Maybe, so you saw it.
That's what I'm saying. Why are you claiming, say, well, only wickedness? Well, who picture? No. Everybody look at the picture. The picture was like this. Right? F wig was covered.
Let you know, Naka Onimusa Sanatia. I don't know, pleaded guilty.
Nilaya Manu pleaded guilty. If you that she had a lawyer.
Nanya, the same lawyer, no, so I was going to bail.
First of all, no, sir, Omu Jelly wa, they can't even bail you. It is a bail bamwa, Omu Jelly, Omu sentencing. Oh, saying. No. Appeal will let her get out. First of all, that's why Misha said, catch it, say, Mrana, old friend of constitution now, when I said British, he doesn't work in Ghana. You and I know it doesn't work in Ghana. You know it doesn't work in Ghana. If it works in Ghana, there will not be children in the villages where the minerals, where the diamonds, where the gold, where the timber, where the manganese, right? Where the steel, the iron is coming from. Those kids don't have schools and hospitals and whatever. No. Ghanaians will not talk about that nonsense. Who is she? First of all, who is she? That we're gonna bring her on top and then now I can say,
why say me pacho yete yenua ni ebisa say Ekuapem Polo, who is she? Ebiara wuni me Ekuapem Polo never be why, but wo share some videos we ya ba bi actually see na.
What has she done productive to the country?
Ekuapem Polo.
No,
and then
right. What has she done productive to the country? That we want to pacho waste money on that.
Me pacho it's on the phone there me pacho share some videos we no of Ekuapem Polo. Na ekosita ma o sha ase
can it be one twerking on and she doing the same thing? Is that what you want to be talking about? When children are in the hospital time, when mothers are having babies on not on hospital bells on the floor? Yeah, Ghana lawyers, some any prosecutors see me school na mu call no I don't think you went to school.
My any DM Emma your listeners and ya shop.
Of course, I'm just they know what I'm talking about. They really know what I'm talking about.
Asamna ye kano empenifor no say ye didi o matamo no eno no ya na
no you got it they got it no me empeni me nyakola
me no say we empeni but say
we empeni nyakola we are the generation of Ghana today we should be running Ghana enyakufa the when you too much
say we empeni eno so nche say be so ti didi o yanko peni
me didi obi antem we see we don't have to go to court and pay judges no we don't have to pay lawyers and judges to go prosecute
eti wo nu so de akwala ne life no too danger man
Ghana mo sorry na copycat mo yet to pick na people should get a job to do
polo here no okay copycat na e be polo here
slay queens and amochi that's all you know
na me bawo enye copycat na aka no enye no e bia na yenua ba Ekuapem Polo kwa ye ya e mra na so
working inside that before these people took it you guys don't know
say bia all naked because who can over Cardi B dey
all
naked na enye
because she came Cardi B went to Ghana and then she went twerking and then she became more popular because she was around Cardi B and all that. First of all, who is Cardi B?
Hold on.
Cardi B is
the coming of Ekuapem Polo started when she started twerking, okay? And she said for secondary schools in Accra.
Mama nipa no so afa wa brusu no
me pacho wo dem
mama no so wa brusu
wo dem mesra wo dem me surprise make
mama na brusu bi amode no kokot mu be say me Ghana sikadia no akokot
da bi wo dem so me surprise make the point why wo dem so
enti so I man all twerking no e ma am so so her impact yeah all the come was we want say be I say Jache from senior secondary school. I'm sorry with me. I'm just making an example. Both the student bodies, the girls, they go class. Now they are twerking. If you say me, say, what's here? Now if I phone now, social media will say, Obaba open school. Agent social media. As a table,
what school?
Our classroom.
First of all, school na mini uko wa Ghana no school na mini uko wa Ghana no yabo aba. If the teacher no allow that my daughter to do that and he or she doesn't discipline my daughter, we want to buy free school, man. I'm school.
But say Ghana,
that's what I'm saying, no. Education.
Children are learning from social media. Okay, they are learning from social media. Into what Polo was doing on Instagram, on Facebook, on YouTube, is what some of those children watch. Start doing that. So,
right thing. Country like Iran.
We're talking about Ghana.
No. Let me give you an example. Country like Iran, country like Syria. They know what social media can do to their citizens. No, so if it's not helping,
that is what we are cutting it.
If it's you are who are cutting it.
That's what the government is cutting it. Those always nakedness no.
Asam na wo kan this here no. O my Ghana etu anamon sa o mo ye bibia fa ho a. Wo sa na say aso wo sa e ba o ma chi se mra no nya adwuma.
No. Listen. Now, there are so many ways to cut those things from going viral. Now, we have the WhatsApp that is being managed by Facebook. We have the Twitter. We have the Instagram. We have the Facebook, and we have other social platforms. Now, all you got to do is those videos go in the system before coming to you and I. doesn't just come. So if there is a software that can block those videos from going viral, then let's say I want to talk to you who are Ghana, and I said you are Ghana, you want to talk to me on WhatsApp or Messenger or FaceTime or whatever, that should be allowed. You know, but the moment say, oh yeah, baby, it's what we call profane or profanity. No, all you got to do is the system automatically will shut it off. Now, I know some of the sites, if it's super porno sites, if you go your computer, you know, virus boom. You know your phone, virus boom. So I'm just giving you an example now.
So the example you are giving, you know, the perfect example you give, which condemns your own speech.
Which condemns my own name.
Your own speech or your own
my own name.
Because we say in Saudi Arabia. Okay,
my friend Saudi Arabia. My friend Syria. And my friend Iran.
So you mentioned Syria and Iran, okay? Why? Because it's a Muslim country.
Aram.
Okay. Very good. So Ghana. If
I
am not a host, if I'm asking you, say, what can the government do to stop those Aroro on social media? What would you suggest to the government?
I just answered the question right now. I mean, catch up.
No, but so you
and again, I'm going back to the same question I made this hour. Sir, you are here bashing the president and
the government. The government.
But you did mention the president.
I've mentioned because he's the head. I know.
You did mention Nana Adodako Akufo-Addo. But you say no, that wouldn't be them. When I make us say 80.
He's responsible for Ghanaians.
He is very responsible for Ghanaians.
The same way he was campaigning and he was the same way when he was campaigning.
One as I don't tell say Emrano and Yejuma.
Now Emrano sound him say Emrano Yejuma.
There be me name sir. Emrano be na Yejuma. And I will say
Emrano Yejuma. And na some man 3 months as say I na mabontia. Who catch me say Emrano Yejuma. What kind of law
Emrano Yejuma no. Say your man 3 months. None the lawyers now agwako appeal. Ni ya ina ba no. E no nche se bi okwa tene fie kwa.
Go ahead.
I say osako court.
No, now you go to the appeal goes to the court. So the court decides say nipa no nko fie and I say onko back. Appealing doesn't release you from your sentence.
But they say no.
Appeal.
Almost
jail. Now your lawyers appeal. Appeal not go through. Because corrupt and
the high court. It's my what is
now where high court as him?
Oh, that be other than high court.
Where high court
as a lawyer and feel say be a judge or judge you other court no. Why not very fair to them? He has every right to say you're appeal say be a the court. That is the
slave queen as him no the high court as him. No. Why are you covering him?
No, I'm not covering him.
No, you are covering him. Anytime I mention that thing, you want to say no. That's not the issue. It is part of the issue. We're talking about Ustati and present and past is the same thing. We are Ghanaians. Na slave queen. Oh, it Nigerian ni kunu no team proud on the and I practice that Obama. It has the right to
who brought Kandapa's video out? And who brought Polo's photo out?
Very
good.
It's no Polo na kasa na de buy.
What about?
And so person wo there, and then a person wo kire Ghana. Ghana.
And I can what kind of example is he setting?
Who brought Kandapa's video out?
No, listen. Kendapa.
Who brought his video out?
New girlfriend.
Very good. What's Kendapa?
He has the right to have a girlfriend.
No.
Why not?
Same way Polo don't have the right to.
No. Nobody's preventing Polo from not having a boyfriend.
And your boyfriend.
We're
talking about the rights.
The rights. yeah, shift focus in if as a politician,
of course, because if the law is working, he'll be the first victim, and Polo will not do that mistake. If the law works, if the law works, he'll be the first, and then Polo will learn from that. If the law really works, Polo will be an example.
Any Abia Obama me. Ome yomu ne kedo metwa picture na so mo da beto abonten ebe yode.
It's my choice. Ebe yode.
Ebe yode.
Yes.
Assembly
cry me. No, let me say this. Assembly cry minister, parliamentarian, assemblyman wo ho a Okita houseboy say maid omo ruru chisi man light bill. Who's paying light bill for a minister here in America? Those are the things we need to talk about. The people who have done nothing wrong. Nobody say. Children were killed for Sikadro. None of this is not being talked about. You want to bring a
order for yada munyina mase yada dwumade no abe me pacho omo tena dwumade mu sesia no ayina yedi komo no me say defense here Mr. Bryce Safo and the other one Mr. Ni Aite eti yada munyina mase say mo kan ho talking point and that's yada different topics so ebeba I hope say the muteri nya no obi afaba me mo kire wo so wadwene e wo comment section no me ehunu say dear Mr. Nika no one ni adwene anase one ni adwene anase wo say the Mr. Bright Eka no so one ni adwene anase one ni adwene yeda mase bebre e wo mombre ye fra me Albert Kwame Agema Prepre and ye be say e share do e da se ne ya me share munya.